Congratulations for Lashade and to so many other persons that has been winning on this platform. Thank you so much for trusting me on this. I greatly appreciate that. In case you are new, you don't know, there is a new platform in town that pays you for simply doing simple tasks, and you can start earning. You can go live, you earn. For answering call, you earn. Okay, even with 0 following, you earn. But the only thing is that the platform favors ladies most. The reason why I say so is that as a lady, as a woman, if you just sign up that very day, you can go live and you earn $1. And there are other things you can do also, just as I've shared 13 different ways you can earn money on that platform. I'll drop the link in the description of this video. All right, so all you need to do to get started is just drop a thoughtful comment. Just tell me, let me in, mama, and I'm going to give you a link that you can use to register. Or better still, I would give you together with a link to my Telegram, where you will see how to sign up. The video on that will teach you how to sign up in case you are lost, how to perform your tasks, how to earn, how to cash out. All you need to do to get started, drop that comment and then join the Telegram. If you join the Telegram, don't go and be looking, because I see a lot of people make the same mistake. They will go on the Telegram, they will just be looking, and it's not right. So all you need to do is, if you join the Telegram, click on the pin message, just as I'm showing you right here. Click on the pin message on the Telegram, and it will show you where to sign up. It will show you how to perform your tasks. It will show you the video on how to sign up in case you are lost. It will show you how to sit on a party and perform your tasks and collect it, like you'll be receiving a message left and right for performing tasks, pagam, for going live, pagam, for, oh my god, like I'm so grateful. So this is me bringing this to you. So just comment, let me in, mama, and I'll be right here in the comment section. Hope to see you in my next video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, cryptocurrency, and now join me.